Welcome to the Education Dashboard, a comprehensive data visualization tool that presents key indicators related to education across all countries in the world, organized by the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, regions. This dashboard aims to shed light on the current state of education globally, focusing on equality of access, completion rates, learning outcomes, and youth literacy. Within this dashboard, you will find an extensive collection of data visualizations and interactive charts that provide a holistic overview of education indicators across all UNICEF regions. These indicators encompass critical dimensions of education, highlighting both the successes and challenges faced by countries worldwide. The Education Dashboard serves as a valuable resource for policymakers, educators, researchers, and all those invested in improving global education outcomes. By exploring the data visualizations and gaining a comprehensive understanding of the state of education, we can work collectively towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goal 4, SDG 4, of ensuring inclusive and quality education for all. Navigate through the different UNICEF regions and explore the interactive visualizations to gain valuable insights into education equality, completion rates, learning outcomes, and youth literacy across the globe. Let's embark on this journey to foster transformative change in education and empower future generations for a better world. Now, let us summarize the analytics. The data visualizations presented in this dashboard highlight the importance of ensuring equal access to education for all individuals, regardless of their backgrounds or circumstances. By uncovering disparities in access, policymakers and stakeholders can implement targeted interventions to bridge the gaps and create inclusive learning environments. As we navigate through the different UNICEF regions and delve into the interactive visualizations, let us leverage the knowledge gained to drive positive change in education systems worldwide. Together, we can work towards creating a world where every individual has equal access to education, where completion rates are high, learning outcomes are strong, and youth literacy flourishes. Let this dashboard be a catalyst for a brighter and more equitable future through education. Thanks for your attention. Keep visiting for next statistical journey. Have a nice time.